Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Jayant Atanpilu, Skubla. Wait. Uh, Very good morning. నేను బాగున్నా. प्रियंका कैसे हो in हिंदी? I'm good in English. బాగున్నా తెలుగు. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡ. ತಮಿಳ್. ನೆಲ್ಲರಿಕ. ನೆಲ್ಲರಿಕ. What we can say in Bengali? বলো ভালো আছে ভালো আছি ভালো আছি Yeah, I know a little bit Kannada. I am in Bangalore, right? Before all COVID, I know Kannada. ಹೇಗ್ಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಓ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ तुमको आता करना by the way how is my Hindi? It's okay, I can manage, right? I can manage, right? Not बहुत अच्छी. I can manage, I know that. I learned Hindi by watching Shah Rukh Khan movies in my childhood. I'm going only Donkey movie only, not Salar. Because my wife didn't like these mass action movies. One day I booked the KGF 2. She's not came. I went alone. Then I realized. So, no, story is an old story, na? Old story, old new bottle, old wine, ना? So part वन में वो दोनों का दो अच्छी दोस्त है. Part टू में वो enemy है. Literally. Part वन is दोस्ताना. Part two is enemy. War one, war two. Hrithik Roshan and that. That is story. Yesterday only I watched the trailer, then I understood that. Trailer अच्छा है? So you like mass movies? I like only donkey. Yeah. Do it fast, ma. Import packages and read the import packages and read the data. Yesterday, some hot discussion is going on about this all syllabus content and all these things. That is, 1 hour meeting has happened. Okay, very debatable discussion that is. So now Naresh IT wants to make standardized only one syllabus for all. Every trainer should teach that syllabus only, like that, because people are complaining. Oh, sir, 3 months में, oh, sir, 4 months में, oh, another sir, 5th month में, oh, sir, teaching that, oh, sir, teaching that. You people are discussing with outside people, right? So like that, some debatable discussion happened. It has happened for long back. They Naresh Shetty went to some third party, so they given the full syllabus. But thank God that syllabus is matching with my syllabus. So that syllabus is 5 months syllabus. That syllabus is. Now yesterday they invited two trainers with me and another trainer. 1 hour discussion with another trainer. 1 hour discussion with another. How can we proceed? In that, what happens? Something is happened like this. What is that? Python is one. I need a poll. Okay. SQL is one. Power BI is one. Maths and statistics is one. And then machine learning, NLP, deep learning, and generative. This I added generative AI. I prepare the syllabus. That syllabus, they also come with some syllabus and everything. So they are saying that this is a core, right? This is core. Suppose this one trainer, data science trainer, I am teaching, suppose. They're asking SQL and Power BI. I said to them, they want to maintain different trainer for this SQL Power BI. They're asking my suggestion. Yes, go ahead. SQL and Power BI, you can do give to other trainer. Okay, I said. So this will be provided by another trainer. Not for you. For you, I will be there. That is the idea. Now they're asking maths also statistics. They want to provide to different trainer. I said on hold. Hold this. So what's your thought process? Different thing, different faculty is better, or all one is faculty is better? All one. अरे वो कॉलेज में different faculties आता ना. That college is an institute. So you like only one faculty. Hmm. Syllabus is exactly my syllabus only. Now everyone is. I said SQL Power BI, that is I asked to give to some other people. They are also thinking the same thing. Why we are core, right? We are core people. So why we want to waste our time on SQL and Power BI? So we can do this all in 4 months, right? That is I proposed. So that is okay. But maths also, stats also, they're asking my suggestion. Should I be provide to another? Then I said that, okay, they will teach maths. What they will teach in maths? They will teach how to create the matrix. Then after he will not come to my data science course. If I say in demo, maths is important, some of the people are not coming. And you are teaching maths in the class, then they will not come. So I told that. So they are holding this. So, but SQL Power BI, it's okay, ma'am. That anyone can teach SQL and Power BI. You can learn by your own Power BI, that is. That is. I hope this will come. So the best thing is what happened, right? The best thing is next time onwards is what is the course start date and what is the course end date they will provide. Every trainer should be complete 10 months. If you want to teach all this, means 4 months is the requirement, 4 months is the start date and 4 months is the end date. So people will not lose the content. So it is it's a good right for everyone. That is. And which one when we want to start? That is. So we want to change all Naresh IT things in the data science for next 5 years. Next 5 years vision, that is. The new students, and that is. It's going good. So that's why I'm taking the poll. So you need one trainer for all the subjects. That is only your reaction, right? Yeah. As the same thing in evening batch also. They also say same thing. One trainer is enough for all the subjects. Because you are very close to the trainer, you will travel 4-5 months, you'll get very much familiar, right? So that is, you are seeing that advantage. I know that. Very good. Yeah, Priyanka, I am with you only, don't worry. And thank God, I am so blessed because of people like you. I'm so blessed. Very good. In winter season also, in morning 7:30 also, I almost gave 70 plus 80 people. That is only because of happened to you only. That is. Because of your publicity only, that is. Yeah, just run this. Yeah, Utkarsh. Same to you also. I'm also so lucky to have you. It's all, mutual cooperation and mutual motive always. How I am delivering, how you are receiving, because you are showing so much interest. So then I come with new ideas. I want to train you more. Like that slow, that's a mutual interest, right? That is great. That is a very, very important thing. Yes. So next, put side heading, that is one hot encoder. One hot encoder. One hot encoder. I called you, Suri, in the evening. You said you're outside. You should say you're outside, right? Why you said I'm on the road? You're traveling on the road or what? Suri? Shall we discuss today something? Suri, you're busy? Yeah, thanks, Rishi. So what is one hot encoder? Tell me. One hot encoder. One hot encoder means at a time only one will be on. One will be on, others are off stage. Others are off. So here on means it might be one or it might be true. It might be true. Off means it is zero, might be false. One hot encoder means at a time only one will be on, others will be off. Suppose K status has two unique labels, that is certified and denied. In one hot encoder, it will create two new columns like below. K status certified is there and denied is there. So K state now create two more columns. One is certified column, and another one is the denied column. So here certified is the first value, right? So which will be on? Certified will be on and denied will be 0. Now this denied is what happened? On. That means it become 0 and this become 1. So this is one hot encoder. This is one hot encoder. We'll create a table. You know how to create a table in Markdown? You know how to create the table? Do like this. Or symbols. Do like this. And or symbol. Or symbol. Or symbol. Or symbol. Or symbol. Why everyday checking is happening? Because still you're not paid the money. Huh? Some other people are coming to our class or what? Okay. Let's do this. You're not required or what? Like this, a table will come. This is a dot dot means it is columns above one and below one is rows. So Christmas celebration started. So who are now this time giving party, Christmas party? Who is there in our class? Venkatesh. No one is there in our class. Yeah, one hot encoder. One hot encoder. New columns. New columns are orthogonal each other. Orthogonal each other. Orthogonality means 90 degrees phase shift. 90 degrees phase shift. 90 degrees phase shift means perpendicular each other. Perpendicular each other. Perpendicular means independent each other. Independent each other. Independent means not dependent. Wow. Independent means no relation. No relation. It is very, very important property. It is very important property. That is to avoid relation. To avoid relation between variables. ठीक है सौरव? To the mantra. Okay, orthogonal means 90 degrees. 90 degrees means perpendicular. Perpendicular means independent. Independent means no relation. No relation is very, very important property. Very, very important property. If you want no relation between the variable, go one hot encoder. Go one hot encoder. This is advantage. Pros, advantage. Next, drawback. Drawback. Assume that you have 100 unique labels for a column. So it will create 100 new columns. To process 100 columns, we require more memory, more time, and more hardware requirements. And this is called, tell me, curse of dimensionality. Curse of dimensionality. Whenever less columns is there, go label encoder. Sorry, one hot encoder. Whenever more columns are there, more labels are there, go one hot encoder. Correct? Next put side heading pd dot get dummies. pd dot get dummies method. pd dot get dummies method. Next. So pd dot get dummies. You need to pass visa df. And inside there's a columns will be there. Columns. There's a columns will be there. So which column you want to convert? Suppose case status, you need to provide the case status. Before that, I recommended here, read the data in the same cell. Read the data in the same cell. That is the recommendation. You already read it, but again, I'm telling read the data. The same cell. Read the data. pd.get dummies. Now that means you are passing the visa df data frame here and you want to change the case status into some new thing, right? Now if I run this, now 13 columns, that means case status column is removed. It is creating a case status certified one column and case status denied in one column. And it's coming true and false. The latest version is giving true and false. Old version will give 1 and zeros. Okay, latest version. Because first value, what is the first value is there in visa df? Visa df first values, first 10. Check it. First one is what? Next one is what? Now come here. Now understand that. Denied and certified. Denied case true is there. And remaining is what? False is there. Next one is certified. Certified jagah mein true. And next is what is there? False is there. In the same you will see 1 and zeros. Same and you will see 1 and zeros in the old version. The old version. Understood my everyone? If you put many categorical columns, your matrix will be increase. So cat columns hai na 9 columns. If you put all cat columns list, what happen? Suppose you put continent. What happen continent here? Continent, how many are there? 6 are there. 6 extra new columns will be created. Extra new columns. That is called continent. See, extra new columns. See, our total columns are 17 now. What are those extra? All true and false, true and false, true and false. Here is true is nothing but what is the first value in the original data frame? Asia. What is the second one is Asia. Third one is Asia. Fourth one is Asia. Fifth one is Africa. You check here. Go to here continent. Asia, 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 and Africa. So it will create extra column, 6 columns because 6 unique labels are there. Suppose D type equal to providing int. Now it will come in 1 and zeros. Those who are getting true and false, you need to apply D type equal to integer. Then it will become 1s and zeros. Otherwise, it is a true and false. This is the latest updation. It's the latest updation. Case status. Now D type equal to integer. Which one? Ma? D type. Already bool, then bool you can give. Already default is the bool only. The default is the bool only. But for you it is there or we don't know. You need to check like shift enter. Shift tab karo first and do see this D type is there or not. Then only it will work for you because the old version. Na? So this called pd.get dummies. Now put all columns here. Then your matrix will be very, very big. Almost you will get 25 extra columns it will get. 25 extra columns. Continent is 6 is there. Case status 2. Job experience 2. Education is 2. Like that you can just count it. At least 25 columns will extra will come. That is. So if you want to try, you can try. But when you want to use one hot encoder, when you want to use label encoder, that is the question. You need to explain exactly this answer in the interview. The story. This story. First, you need to start like this story. Machine learning algorithms require mathematics. So it is very, very important. You need to convert categorical to numerical. What are the methods? It's called generally we call encoding. What we call encode. Under encoding, label encoder and one hot encoder. Label encoder we can do achieve by 3 ways. One is map method that is manually and is np.where for only binary. Label encoder, whatever you are implementing map, the same implementing by package. And you know machine learning packages are very, very easy. Import it, save it, fit transform. Machine learning is complete. Okay, only 3 lines. But next one hot encoder is nothing but pd.get dummies. So which is used and when will it use? That is the question interview will ask you. Next question. So you need to say that if your more labels are there, then it will become curse of dimensionality. Also, it has one advantage is called no dependency. That's also one advantage. Again, he will ask that what is dependency? You need to explain the correlation, Pearson correlation. Again, he will ask you what is the problem if it is there, correlation. Then you need to wait some time for that to know for next class. Okay. So this slowly. At the end of that, you will get an idea that is. So definitely, no, that is the next question. Think like that, you are the interviewer. What is the next question you will ask? What is the problem if it is a dependency is there? For common sense, we can say that these two persons are in relation each other. If I want to pick one person, how can I pick one person? On what basis? If I pick one person, other person will affect. If I pick other person, one person will affect. I can't pick two persons. That is. Like that you can say that, but that is the concrete proof we require. That is the machine learning will provide. But this exactly you need to say this kind of answers. And this is be done in the theoretically also. Same information I have written there, the documents, and here also I am written here also every time. Okay. So these all are interview questions. All are interview questions. Yeah, next, open new notebook. Normalization and standardization. This is 7th session. Now today 8th one. EDA 8. Normalization and standardization. Your batch and evening batch is almost 10 days difference, huh? Saurav? Evening batch, 10 days difference. Your batch is going fast. Because of this morning time extra half an hour. That is. Maybe your batch will close fast. And they are only losing whenever I am taking holidays. Not you. Friday evening I am taking holiday and they have no class in Friday evening. Normalization and standardization. In every data set, we have different columns has different units. in every data set, we have different columns. We have different columns has values varies from minus infinity to infinite. Minus infinite to infinite. Some values might be 100 to 100, minus 100 to 100. Some values might be minus 10,000 to 10,000. Some is salaries, some are routes or kilometers or weights and everything different, right? So it is very, very important. It is very important standardize the data, standardize the data, make sure all the column values under same range, So if we can avoid the units as well as we can avoid the vary. Salary is a huge and kilometer is very less. So it is very, very important to standardize that. To achieve this, we have two methods. One is normalization, and another one is standardization. Normalization and standardization. Normalization. Normalization. What is the formula of normalization? No, that is standardization. What is the normalization? So it is a min max scalar. What is that? Min max scalar. What is the formula of min max scalar? Minimum by x max minus x minimum. You need to remember the formulas, guys. Otherwise, how can you get the job? This is the only your normalization. X minus x minimum by x max by minus x minimum. Normalization. The min max scalar. Normalization. Min max scalar. X minus minimum of x by maximum of x minus minimum of x. Next, standardization. So standardization is nothing but Z score. Z score. What is the formula of Z score? Tell me. What is the formula of Z score? X minus mu by sigma. X minus mu by sigma. x minus mu by sigma. You need to remember these formulas, okay? Normalization and standardization. Good, right, everyone? Please confirm the chat. Utkarsh is good, Priyanka is good, and Sushi is good, Arun is good. Arun, nowadays you are not talking anything. Agarani, Sabita, Manasa, Nadeep, how you are doing, Arun? Monali, yes. Now read the data and import the packages. Do that. Import the packages and read the data. Import the packages and read the data. We'll first do normalization. What is the normalization formula? X minus X minimum divided by X max minus X minimum. So I will write the steps. You need to do the calculation. Step 1, calculate minimum of X minimum value of prevailing wage. That make as X minimum. That make as X minimum. As minimum wage, whatever you want, minimum wage. Step 2, calculate maximum value of wage, maximum value of P wage, and that is equal to max wage. Step 1, step 2 is done. Then calculate that denominator. Denominator is equal to what? Max wage minus minimum wage. That is the denominator. And numerator, what is the numerator? The numerator equal to your column values X minus minimum wage. And what is your column here? Prevailing wage, right? You know how to take the column values. And this is step 3. And this is step 4. The formula we are implementing. And what is the step 5th? Step 5th is nothing but numerator by denominator. Do it exactly. You'll get the answer. You know how to read the column, right? Everyone. Visa DS square bracket prevailing wage. Simple. Yes. Correct, Srishti. We done minimum, maximum, standard deviation in the statistics. They're all same like that. Minimum wage, maximum wage, and denominator, numerator, numerator by denominator. Answer will come. 5 steps. So that's why write the formula, implement in the Python. Write the formula, implement in the Python. See your formula. Your formula will give provided by 5 steps. Don't skip the classes, man. Next 2 months is very, very important. Who is Chukka? Why you people are keeping like these names? I don't know. Chukka, Bujji, Kanna. Who is Chukka? Son, that's a surname Chukka. Star. Chukka Naidu. You need to proud there. That is surnames. Done. Easy. Everyone should do this. I'm taking Sushti one. Max, minimum, numerator, denominator. That's it. Simple, no? Same every step. Every step. That are the answers. Again, same thing. You want to save a new variable or old variable? Create a new variable. Prevailing wage underscore norm. Keep in the new variable prevailing wage underscore norm. This answer equal to visa df square bracket prevailing wage norm. Visa df square bracket prevailing wage underscore norm. Then visa df, check the visa df. I'm taking 2 columns. Prevailing wage. I want to compare that prevailing wage, comma, prevailing wage norm. Yeah. So 592 become 0.0184. 83,425 become 0.26. 122,996 become 0.38. We converted. So prevailing wage norm maximum value should be 1, minimum value should be 0 because normalization values ranges from what? 0 to 1. Check that prevailing wage maximum value. Norm, prevailing wage norm maximum value should be 1. Minimum value should be 0. That is the one check, first check. Check number 1. Why absolute value? Coming more than one. Negative. Where is the negative is coming? Let's see. Prevailing wage norm dot max.
यहाँ पे इसको कॉल करना है ना
बराबर है. You are overwriting in the old column. I said create a new column. See, I ask you to create a new column. Now, read the data again here. In the cell, read the data again and do it. Read the data again. Read the data here. Don't confuse me. Read the data here. Read the data in this cell. Create a new column. Maximum value is how much is coming? 1. And minimum value how much is coming? 0. Right? And that should be equal to the ID should be match. Now prevailing wage. Now this. If you remove norm. If you remove norm. This 319210 is converted to what? 1. 2.13 is converted to what? 0. Now how can you check that is? How can you check? The ID should be matched. The ID of this maximum value, ID of this minimum value should be equal to ID of this maximum and ID of this equal, right? Now tell me why, how you are getting 1? Which value you are converting and getting 1? What is the maximum value here? 3, 1. You are checking individually. Individually for one column is maximum is 1. Individually this column maximum is what? 3, 1 now. But exactly how can you know this value is converted to 1? That is ID we need to check. ID. What we need to check? ID. For that you need to get the IDs. Norm dot ID X max. ID IDX max will be available. Yeah, max will be available. This is a maximum ID. This is what ID ma? Max ID. ID means this ID is ID. Not address. This ID should be equal, no? This ID should be equal. ID max. And this is the minimum ID. Understood everyone what I am doing? We are getting the rows. So max ID, comma, minimum ID. So now visa df square bracket, the 2 columns, prevailing wage, where is that? This is. Dot I lock max ID, comma, minimum ID. Why it's taking so much time? Max ID. Yeah, sorry. So we got the IDs and we are converting 2100 maximum value this converted to 1 exactly, yes, matched, and 2.13 is converted to 0. This is individual checks. Individual checks, and this is combining. We are getting the maximum IDs and we are checking the maximum IDs and minimum IDs. Yeah, note down this. Understood, right, everyone? What I have done? Any doubts? Soro? No doubt, right? I'm comparing both. Getting only these 2 IDs. Maximum ID counts a number, maximum ID. Getting the only 2 rows. The 2 rows number is what? 210 77 and 20575. What is the meaning of this? The maximum value of which is equal to what? 1. Minimum value of this is equal to what? 0. That only we check now. We are converting, right? We are converting wages to normalization. When we converted, we know one thing. What is that? Maximum value of this equal to what? 1. Minimum value of this equal to what? 0. That is the normalization meaning. Normalization values ranges from 0 to 1. Original values might be any value. It is minus infinity, infinity. We don't mind. But when you convert into normalization, what is the maximum value? 1. What is the minimum value? 0. So that 31921 is the maximum value. See here, maximum value is how much? 319210, and that is converted into 1.0. Exact. How can we know? That row should be match. The row should be match that we are getting. That we are getting. Note on this. Good, everyone. Any doubts in this? No doubts, right? Sai, you're not coming in the evening. Coming, not coming in the evening. Coming. You're a true friend, Sai. So your friend is in data science. Which batch? 6:30. 6 o'clock. Who is the faculty? Daniel sir. Prakash sir. So still it is continuing batch. It was no. Where are they? Completed. At the end. You people never discuss about what is going in the class. Everyone is good, right? Aja. IDX. Oh, IDX. Enter tab, no? It will come automatically.
दिल्ली में हरियाणा में तो नहीं है
Correct. We'll discuss later. That is.
सर ये मेरे को माइनस में जीरो नहीं आ रहा
Oh, not minus. That is. What is the 0.00000000001? Oh, 8 zeros. It says 0.0000. I am lucky. 0.0000.
सर ये एक बार फिर से यहाँ पे
This is now tell me in this. How can it is perfectly converted? How can you know that? These values are converted like this.
first
How can you that perfect conversion?
check the maximum value and minimum value.
In which one?
It is in range between 1 and
That is the first check.
0.
Correct. That is. Next.
We check it as maximum value is equal to 1 or not.
That you need to check.
Yes.
So I'm taking your maximum value. I'm taking my maximum value. It should be both are not equal. Your maximum value should be equal to 1 here.
Maximum value that is equal to 1.
One.
The minimum value is equal to 0.
And that's why we are checking the IDs. This IDs. ID means row number. If you get the row numbers, now see the row numbers. 21077 row number. Original one, your value is how much? 3 lakhs.
Original value is
Original value is 3 lakhs. That is maximum value.
3 lakh 90,000.
What is the normalization value?
1.7.
That is correct, no? They are just equating,
For only
checking.
correct.
Correct. Okay, ma. Next. Next, by using package. By using package called min-max scalar. Put side heading min-max scalar. This will be using normal with formula. Next, we are using min-max scalar by using package. Min-max scalar. Min-max scalar. So min-max scalar. Min-max scalar is a method from sklearn. sklearn pre-processing. Again, sklearn pre-processing. So only 3 steps: read the package, save the package, apply the fit transform. So read the package, save the package, apply fit transform. Apply fit transform. Do it, try it. First read the package. Like we already done transformation, right? Label encoder. The same way. Done from sklearn dot pre-processing, import, don't do spelling mistake, enter M, enter tab. Oh, capital M, not small m. Enter tab. Import, capital M, enter tab. You get min-max scalar? Everyone got min-max scalar? Can you please confirm the chat? Venki? Now min say M, max say M, scalar say S, MMS. MMS equal to min-max scalar. Save it. MMS equal to min-max scalar bracket. Now MMS dot fit transform. Put the column name. Visa df dot prevailing wage. Before that, read the column again. Read the data again. The 3 steps you need to do. Read the package, save the package, fit transform. If you do, I am happy because you already done that is. And that we will do in future. sklearn, correct. sklearn dot pre-processing. sklearn dot pre-processing. Very good. Same. We need to check the same values, no? This 8.9 is coming or not. When we do manually and package, he's giving both answers are same or not. Please confirm the chat. What error is coming? Reshape error. What is value error means? Go last. That is the error. Or reshape na? Shape error. Shape error will come. No ma. Min max scalar. First of all, min max scalar is the capital one. Sushti, okay? And in the in the MMH dot fit transform. MMH dot.
Sir, बराबर है privilege use में मैंने privilege use नाम पे fit कर दिया
Oh,
बराबर है
transform label encoder na.
हाँ लेकिन
You don't label encoder. We are doing normalization.
करने का
Oh, label encoder is what? Encoding into categorical to numerical. ये कन्वर्ट करना था वो वेस्ट करना था 1 2 3 के लिए वो लेबल एनकोडर नॉर्मलाइजेशन मतलब क्या है वो फॉर्मूला है ना x माइनस एक्स मिनिमम बाय x मैक्स दैट करने के लिए सो प्री प्रोसेसिंग में और एक था
यहाँ पे इंपोर्ट में क्या है
min max
min max
that I provide ना यार so many people are doing good you need to get the error ma then only I will be happy okay error you will get error वो 3 स्टेप्स करने के बाद एरर आता वो रीशेप एरर आता reshape error. It is not taking that method. We need to reshape it. It will come. That only we are learning now. We are learning process. Oh, normalization fit transform is mathematics, right? So you're taking that. Yeah, read the package, read the data again here. Read the data again. Yeah, step one. What is the step one, ma? Step one is equal to from sklearn dot pre-processing. Tell me import min max scalar. Okay, done. Now step two. What is step two? MMS equal to min max scalar bracket. Now step three. Step three. Only 3 steps ma. MMS dot fit transform bracket visa df square bracket prevailing wage error will come. Correct? Now let's see here. Let's create an array. Let's create an array. How to create array? np dot array. Put some 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Correct? np dot array. Put some list of values in the array. Keep some list of values in the array. Visa df prevailing wage. Yeah, very good. Everyone do that, ma. Everyone do this till now. Tell me what is this dimension? Dimension of this array. Dimension of this array. Suppose you take val1, val v1 equal to v1 dot ndim. One dimension. What is that? 9 dimension. Understood? We provide extra bracket here. What is coming? 2 dimension. Provide extra bracket. 3 dimension. Correct? Now what is the error? What is the error you are getting here? Expected 2D array. But then what do you need to do here? See my beautiful students. That's it. Do it. Answer will come. That is only, na? Simple. Otherwise, you need to draw dot reshape. That we'll learn later. Dot reshape. Extra bracket karo. Extra bracket. Understood, right, everyone? Python is simple, ma. Make it simple. Always simple solutions are better solutions. Actually, what happened, na? It will take like this actually. You see, come here. Everyone look at the board. Remove the one bracket. Remove bracket, what will come? Series aata. If you put one more bracket, what will come? Data frame aata. You need to pass data frame, not series. That is his intention. You need to pass the data frame, not series. Pass the data. Note down this. Inside MMS, pass the data frame, not series. Note. Inside min-max scalar, pass data frame, not series. Not series. You get an idea right now? What is series? What data frame did we learn in the first class itself? Same values, right? 0.00184, same values, huh? Different values. Same value, no? 1849. We provide in the data frame, it is coming. Can you check it? Visa TF square bracket prevailing wage norm 1. What is the Visa DF now? Coming prevailing wage norm 1. We can do like all numerical variables if you want normalize like this by using a for loop. Correct? That we learned many times. For I in, just replace with this I. This is I, like that. Same thing, the output you want to save in same variable or different variable. Always you need to think like that. I got the output. I want to keep in the same variable or in the different variable. So next after this, next put side heading, Z score. Again do manually. What is the formula? X minus mu by sigma. First you need to calculate mean. Next you need to calculate standard deviation. Next numerator by denominator. Same steps, correct? Now do it first. Understood, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? Implement the Z score by manually. You need to calculate the mean, standard deviation, and numerator by denominator. You know Azure AG 900 certification? Anyone knows that? Don't know? Azure AG 900, AZ 900. You're done, Arun. I need your help. Can you ping me in the WhatsApp group after the class? Thank you. Very new. Step 1, calculate mean. Step 2, calculate standard deviation. And step 3, numerator. What is the numerator? Your values, x minus mean. And step 4, numerator by standard deviation. Correct, Deepak? Now do it. Very good. Mean wage equal to visa df square bracket prevailing wage dot mean standard deviation of wage visa df square bracket prevailing wage dot std numerator equal to visa df square bracket prevailing wage minus mean wage and numerator by std wage. Okay, values. Correct? Save in another variable. Visa df square bracket prevailing wage z score equal to visa df prevailing wage comma prevailing wage score. Everyone you only doing ma, not me. What is the minimum value of prevailing wage Z score? It is -3 to 3. That is more than -3, less than -3. That is the outliers. The range should be -3 to 3. Maximum value should be -3 to 3. Otherwise, that are outliers generally. Can you check the number of outliers with the prevailing wage Z score? Number of outliers. Number of outliers. Wait. PLT dot box plot Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage PLT dot box plot Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage Z score. Both are same, but subplots we need to do. PLT dot subplot 1, 2, 1. PLT dot subplot 1, 2, 2. Same, right? बट वो -1 से शुरू हो गया, 4 से एंड हो गया, वो 0 से 3 लाख सेम. Note down this. Same ditto. Same 427 will come. Note down this. I told you, right? Influential outliers. We need to convert into Z score and we need to check again. Those outliers are again also here also outliers or not. Do this, everyone. Box plot. PLT dot show. कितना आ गया? 291. You directly get in 3 you are putting, no? Not like that. IQ or range, Q1, Q2, Q3, everything you need to solve. Outlier formula. You're directly keeping 3 and -3. 3 and -3 are 291. Extra values are coming. More than 3 and less than 3. That is okay, fine. But outlier concept is different, na? Okay. No. There only you can find influential. It is only just you are checking. Range is -3 to 3. More than that, less than that. Definitely that are outliers. No doubt in that. But you need to go check like that. IQ. Definitely that are outliers. Srishti, this is definitely outliers -3 to 3 range. But you need to check the Q1, Q2, Q3 range. Q1, Q2, Q3, IQR, that formula is there, right? This one? Q1, Q2, Q3. Oh, function call we return it. NP dot quantile of 25%. That everything 75, 50, IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. That same story you do. You do at home, that is okay. Next, put side heading, standard scalar, package name. 1 minute. Let it complete this. Put side heading, standard scalar. Capital S, standard, capital S, scalar. Now do the 3 steps. I will not explain that. That you need to do now. Standard scalar. Same story, sklearn, pre-processing, standard scalar. Import the package, save the package, and fit transform. Standard scalar, package name. Done, Murli? Yeah, note on this subplots. Standard scalar. And tomorrow we are closing that EDA. Finally. Tomorrow missing values analysis. Standard scalar. Standard scalar. Same 3 steps. Successfully, please complete the successfully. Why you are plotting wage STD? Where your wage STD? These are the values. The norm you are calculating now. Where is your wage values? These are the wage values. Okay. Or directly calculated. How much I'm getting? Minus 1.39. My values are different values. But why 1587, 1509 is coming for you? Very original data. Every time I'm telling read original data, read original data. You are not reading that original data and you are coming every time. That is a problem you are doing. That is not good. Where is original data? Either read karo original data. I will not tell again. This line. Read the original data. Python will overwrite the over values. No. You read it. Visa equal to how you read original data. Oh, file path, pura. Then do that. That is the problem. You read the original data. Yeah, Arun. Your help is required on this. We'll talk about this. My wife need to do that certification. They're asking after get the project. 2 years she didn't get the project. 2 years on bench. Just taking the salary and doing the shopping. 2 years. Finally, because of one student, he is in Sweden. His name is Manohar. He is a manager level. He is our old batch student. Data science. I message no on that day. Everyone is there, anyone is there in TCS. So he responded. He given the project in 1 week. They are in the project. Now they are asking to do her AG certification. Every time explaining to her how to do Azure and all these things. But you need to pass the exam. Exam is $100. They'll give the free voucher. You need to pass in that time only, free voucher. It's okay. Mean, standard deviation. No. You need to calculate individually like this. Like this. Mean wage separately. No, that is the minimum max. No, see this. See formula. What is the formula? Tell me what is the formula? Z formula. Z formula. First, what you need to call? You have to calculate this. Next, what you have to calculate? Next, separate karo. Next, division karo. Step by step, we return. No? Follow the steps, and you will get it. Yeah, Arun. Done, my everyone. How many are done? Standard scalar. Raise your hands. What happened, Renuka? Money. Venki. Standard scalar. Very good. Tell me from sklearn dot pre-processing import standard scalar. Then SS equal to standard scalar and then SS dot fit transform of visa DF. Again, you have to process the prevailing wage. Prevailing wage. Extra bracket, extra bracket. Run it, you will get the answer. Simple. Great, ma. So that's all. This is called standardization and normalization. Easy. You are able to import this class. You only done, not me. Okay, most of the time you only done. Just I explain later. So that's very great. Good. Keep it up. Next time you need to teach everything to me. Yeah, that's great, ma. And tomorrow is the last class of the EDA, missing values analysis. And then still some concepts are there. PCI is there, feature engineering is there. Some concepts are there that will come in when the machine, when we enter into machine learning. Overfitting, underfitting, all the concepts we will do that is using Python. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. If you have any doubts, ping me. Number of outliers. Calculation. Sabita, same outlier calculation, you know, right? You need to calculate Q1, calculate Q2, calculate Q3. What is the IQR formula? IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. And what is the upper bound formula? Upper bound is equal to Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. Same like this only. What is the lower bound formula? Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. Then what you need to do? Condition 1. What is the condition 1? Your column visa DF square bracket prevailing wage greater than UB. Condition 2. Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage less than LB. And overall condition. What is the new condition? Condition 1 or condition 2. Correct? And visa DF square bracket prevailing wage and that condition. This will give the outliers. This will give the outliers. Now the Z score only, same concept. No, where is the Z score only? You just find the take the Z score value. Instead of passing prevailing wage, you need to pass the new column Z. New column you need to pass. Method will be same. Method will be same. Same like this only you need to do. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.